Let me ask you something. Girl, why does the word investing feel scarier than a first date with someone who doesn't text back? You know that anxious scroll through your bank app at AM? That pit in your stomach when you see your savings barely move? Yeah, that? We've all been there, feeling like we're doing everything right, but somehow, money's still not working for us. You've probably been told to just save and be safe, right? Like playing small is the smart thing to do. But what if that advice, the one that sounds so responsible, is actually keeping you stuck? Because saving alone doesn't grow your money. It just slows down how fast it disappears. We were taught to play it safe while men were told to take risks. Think about it, guys talk about crypto, stocks, real estate at brunch, while we're told to just save for emergencies. That's not empowerment. That's conditioning. And it's quietly costing women millions. Imagine working your whole life, only to retire broke, not because you were careless, but because you were afraid. Doing nothing with your money is doing something, it's choosing to fall behind. But girl, you don't have to stay stuck there. If you think investing isn't for you, think again. Because what you don't invest in today, you'll pay for tomorrow. Hey loves, it's Bella, welcome back to Money Talk, where we keep it real talk, smart money. If you want to feel confident with your money instead of confused, hit that subscribe button and join our community of women rewriting the money rules. Quick note, this video is for education only, not financial advice. Today, we're diving deep into why women fear investing, how that fear is secretly costing us big time, and most importantly, how to flip the script and start building real wealth. Let's be real, most women don't actually fear investing. They fear losing control. The thought of putting your hard-earned money into something you can't predict feels terrifying. But here's the truth. Control doesn't come from avoiding risk, it comes from understanding it. According to Fidelity, 67% of women keep their savings in cash instead of investing, and that cash is losing value every single day. Inflation quietly eats it up while you're trying to play it safe. The problem? Playing safe is actually making you lose. Imagine this instead: your money working for you while you sleep. You wake up and your investments grew overnight. That's what freedom feels like. The kind that lets you travel, start that side hustle, or retire without panic. Saving feels safe, but safety without growth is slow death for your money. Every dollar you keep still is a dollar that loses power. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Ever notice how, since we were little girls, we were told to save, not grow, to play it safe, not take risks? Society raised us to be careful while our brothers were told to go build, explore, and invest. It's wild, right? Research shows men are 5 times more likely to be encouraged to invest by their friends or family. So while women are told to be responsible, men are told to take chances, and that difference changes everything. But it doesn't have to stay that way. You can be nurturing and a wealth builder. You can care for your family and your future. It's not either or, it's both. Playing it safe might feel comfortable now, but long term it costs you independence. Remember, well-behaved women rarely make history. So maybe it's time to stop just saving and start building. Inflation is like that sneaky friend who borrows your stuff and never gives it back. You don't notice it at first, but over time, your money quietly loses power. It's a silent thief that steals from your future while you're busy just surviving today. At just 3% inflation, your money loses half its value in 24 years. That's basically your whole career span, girl. Imagine working for decades and realizing what you saved can't even buy the same groceries. That's the real danger of doing nothing. Wouldn't it feel better to watch your money grow while you grow? Investing isn't about greed, it's about giving your future self a break. You deserve to feel proud when you check your balance, not anxious. Doing nothing with your money is a decision, it's just one you're not making consciously. Every dollar left sitting still is losing value. Like Warren Buffett said, don't save what's left after spending, spend what's left after saving. That's how you protect your power. Let's clear this up. Investing isn't gambling. You're not throwing your money into a slot machine and hoping for luck. You're building a plan that grows stronger with time, patience, and strategy. Here's the truth. Historically, the stock market grows about 7 to 10% a year. Compare that to your savings account earning maybe 0.5%. One keeps you moving forward, one keeps you stuck. Now imagine this. If you invested just $200 a month starting at 25, that could grow to over $400,000 by retirement. That's not luck, that's math and consistency. So remember, the real gamble isn't investing, it's believing you can't learn it. Every smart investor started exactly where you are, unsure but willing. Because as Benjamin Franklin said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Hey girl, I know investing can feel scary, like stepping into a room where everyone already knows the rules and you don't. But here's the secret: start small, and it won't feel overwhelming. Even $50 a month is enough to get started. Think about it like this: that 5100 is just one brunch with mimosas. You're not sacrificing your fun. You're investing in your future freedom. It's tiny steps that lead to big change, and it feels way less intimidating than jumping in with thousands of dollars. Consistency is the real magic here. Even if you're scared, putting a little aside every month builds habits that your future self will thank you for. Imagine looking back in 5 years and realizing you've quietly built a little financial fortress without stressing every day. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it doesn't exist. Start now, even if it's small. Remember Yeats' words: do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking. You create your opportunity by taking action. Hey girl, let's talk about why investing isn't some scary game. It's really about giving yourself choices and freedom. Imagine having the power to make your life your way without waiting for someone else's permission. Did you know women who invest regularly retire with 30-40 more wealth on average? That's not luck, babe, it's consistency. Even small steps today can make your future you feel like a queen living her best life. Picture this: saying no to that toxic job or yes to a dreamy sabbatical without stressing about money. That's the kind of power investing gives you. It's like your personal superhero cape to live life on your own terms. Here's the truth: financial freedom isn't a lottery when it's something you build piece by piece. Every smart investment is a brick in your empire, making sure your future self lives stress-free, confident, and unstoppable. Ladies, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about knowing your stuff. When you understand the basics, you feel unstoppable, not stressed. Did you know 8 out of 10 women who start investing wish they had started sooner? Imagine how much growth and freedom you could be missing if you wait too long. The key is to stay curious. Ask questions, learn one thing at a time, and watch it all add up. Think of it like interest compounding in your bank account, but for your brain and confidence. Remember, mistakes don't define you. Not trying does. So start small, do something, and embrace progress over perfection, because done really is better than perfect. So, here's what we learned today. Fear is normal, but doing nothing costs you more. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro, you just need to start, stay consistent, and remember why you're doing this. You deserve wealth, peace, and choice. Investing isn't a men's world, it's your future. If this hit home, drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear your story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Talk, where it's real talk. Smart money with Bella. Remember, sis, your money deserves to grow as boldly as you do. See you next time.